Nice to meet you again, 8th grade. Welcome back to English class on the Wafid channel. Today, we're going to discuss Unit 12, Period 3. أهلا بكم أعزائي طلاب وطالبات الصف الثامن في درس جديد من دروس اللغة الإنجليزية ومع الوحدة الثانية عشرة الدرس الثالث. Our lesson today is about reported speech or indirect speech. أعزائي الطلاب، درسنا اليوم حول الكلام المنقول أو الكلام غير المباشر. Are you ready? Let's start. First, look, this boy is Muhammad. In the bubble, he says, I'm really happy with my new job. I'm really happy with my new job. أنا سعيد بوظيفتي الجديدة. Now, what does Muhammad say? ماذا يقول محمد? He says, I'm really happy with the new job. Again, he says, I'm really happy with the new job. Now, look, this is Rose. Look at the bubble. I am the new counselor. Rose says, I am the new counselor. أنا المرشدة الجديدة. Now again, what does Rose say? ماذا تقول Rose? She says, I am the new counselor. She says, I am the new counselor. Notice the two sentences. Muhammad says, I'm really happy with the new job. Rose says, I am the new counselor. لاحظوا أعزائي الطلاب، الجملة التي قالها محمد موضوعة بين أقواس أو علامات تنصيص نسميها speech marks. وأيضاً الجملة التي قالتها روز موضوعة بين علامات تنصيص، لذلك هاتان الجملتان الموضوعتان بين علامات التنصيص تعبر عما قاله محمد وروز بالضبط دون تغيير أو تعديل. نسمي هذه الجمل direct speech أو الكلام المباشر. Now, what is direct speech? ما هو الكلام المباشر؟ The direct speech refers to the exact words of the speaker. وهو أن نستخدم الكلمات نفسها التي قالها المتحدث بالضبط دون تغيير ونضعها بين أقواس. Here, this girl is going to report what Muhammad says. هذه الفتاة تريد أن تنقل كلام محمد. فتقول Muhammad says that he is really happy with the new job. لاحظوا هنا هنالك بعض التغييرات في مقولة محمد عندما نقلتها هذه الفتاة. وأيضاً تنقل كلام روز. Rose says she is the new counselor. أيضاً هنا نلاحظ بعض التغييرات على جملة روز. Let's now learn how to report speech. دعونا نتعلم الآن كيف ننقل الكلام. First, let's learn how to change statements بمعنى جمل from direct into indirect. لنتعلم سوياً كيف نحول الجمل من كلام مباشر إلى كلام منقول أو غير مباشر. كما لاحظنا هنالك بعض التغييرات عند نقل الكلام وتحويله من كلام مباشر إلى كلام غير مباشر. First of all, when we report, we use a reporting verb. Here, we have says as the reporting verb. Says بمعنى يقول أو تقول. We can also use tell as a reporting verb in the present. We can say she says or she tells. Like our example, we said Muhammad says he is really happy with the new job. As you see, first we put the speaker's name, which is Muhammad. Then we put the reporting verb, which is says. We say Muhammad says. Then we omit the quotations. بعدها نحذف علامات التنصيص. And then we change the pronouns. وبعدها نغير الضمائر. In the direct sentence, the pronoun is I am. في الجملة التي قالها محمد, he said I am, أنا. We changed it into he is because we talk about him. لأننا نتحدث عن محمد, we change I into he. Then we complete the sentence and put a full stop at the end without quotations. The same is done with the second example. We start with the speaker's name, which is Rose. Then we use the reporting verb says, so the sentence becomes Rose says. We omit the quotations, نحذف علامات التنصيص. Then we change the pronoun I am into she is. And here we use she because the speaker is a girl, which is Rose. So in general, when we report statements, عندما ننقل الجمل, we start with the speaker's name. نبدأ باسم المتحدث. Then we use the reporting verb, which is says or tells. And the last thing, we change pronouns. نحول الضمائر. Let's now see another example. Ali says, I speak French. علي يقول أنا أتحدث الفرنسية. We start with the speaker's name, which is Ali. Then we use the reporting verb says. As you notice, it is in the present simple. We say Ali says. So we do not change the tense of the sentence. We can use that after the reporting verb. Ali says that. Here, I refers to Ali. So we change it into he. The verb after he is speak. It becomes speaks. We add s because of he. Let's do now this exercise together. Change into reported speech or report these sentences. Number 1, the boys say we are playing football. Yes, we start with the speakers, which are the boys. Then the reporting verb say. Here we use say, not says, without an s because of we. Then we use that. وضعنا ذات بين قوسين لنعبر عن أنه يمكن أن نستخدمها أو أن لا نستخدمها. Then we change the pronoun we into they. فتصبح الجملة the boys say that they are playing football. Number 2, Mary says, I sent a letter to my sister. Can you report it? Good. Mary says that she sent a letter to her sister. As you see, I becomes she and my becomes her because she's a girl. Number 3, Nader says to Hadi, I have cleaned my room. Let's report it together. Nice. Nader tells Hadi. As you notice, we change says to into the reporting verb tell. We use tell here because we have both the speaker and the listener. Here Nader and Hadi. So we say Nader tells Hadi. Nader tells Hadi that he has cleaned his room. We change I into he, so we change have into has. And my becomes his لأنها تعود على نادر وهو اسم ولد. Number 4. Muna says, I can sing. Yes, it's simple. Muna says that she can sing. Nice work, my dear students. Sometimes we have some time and place expressions in the sentence. We also have to change them. Notice this table. Today in the direct speech becomes that day. Now becomes then. Yesterday changes into the day before. Also last week becomes the week before. At the end of our lesson, I hope now you are able to report the statements and change them from direct into indirect. It's always a pleasure to be with you. Thanks for joining me today and see you next time. Bye-bye.